Hi
Hello.
guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's super fun video, we are going to be doing some more HMV mystery boxes. I do have to say I love these mystery boxes that are coming from HMV. Every time they have a new set, I get them bought. These ones are different to any other mystery box that I've bought from HMV because they are pop vinyl mystery boxes. I love a mystery. I love pop vinyl, so that is definitely awesome. These boxes are pop vinyls, and inside them you get two mystery pop vinyls. The box is £10. It says the different color boxes equal different contents. Now, there were two different colors. There was the blue pop box and the red. There was no blue pop boxes available when I purchased these boxes. They had completely sold out. I am waiting on them arriving again, and I will buy them. So I bought two. I just wanted to see, was the content, were they the same pops? Because even though they say that, sometimes you do get different content. I don't care if I get the same. I'm super excited that I got mystery pop boxes, and for a super duper price of £10. Now guys, just so you know that HMV, when you place an order over £20, you get free delivery. So I did not pay any delivery shipping costs. These were £10 flat, and I am super excited. I have not looked inside these boxes. However, for ease, I have cut them. So we are going to set one to the side, and we're going to open our very first box. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see. When we open the box, this is what we see. Okay. Let's just see what we've got going on here. Okay, so our first pop, let's put this out of the box actually, is a DreamWorks Voltron Legendary Defenders. It's pop animation. This is Allura. It's just the Allura final figure, if I could speak this morning. It is pop number 742472. I'm going to get that right eventually. Oh, and there is a collection. So there are 7 figures to collect in this series. I think I like this Voltron one. I think that would be my favorite out of the whole collection. But the box is pretty mint. There are no damage. Maybe a little flick right here on the corner. But apart from that, this box is in mint condition. Does it tell us the date? Guys, if you can see the date on here, let me know in the comments below. 2018. So that's pretty awesome. Absolutely adorable little pop. I really, really like that. I love the white hair. I love the little purple earrings. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go ahead and see on Pop Price Guide what the value of this little pop is. So it's Allura 472. And let's check and see what value we have here. I mean, guys, I didn't buy these pop boxes. I didn't buy these pop boxes for value. I bought them because I love pops. I love a mystery. And for £10, why not try it out? Okay, guys, Pop Price Guide is giving me an estimated value of, that's $9. I must be on the American site. So let's try and find out the UK value. So we'll go to Pop Price Guide UK, and we will have a look here. Okay. I really like this little pop. I think it's very good. I don't know much about Voltron. If you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments below. It's not something that I'm familiar with. But it is a really nice, cute pop. I cannot find that pop. But guys, you're talking about, let's check eBay. eBay's always a good place for me to check because it gives you more of a realistic ALLURA pop 472. It gives me more of a realistic price point to know that it just gives me a better price point to know how much this little pop is. Guys, so we have a I'm so sorry, something's caught in my throat. We have a Funko Pop Allura vinyl figure, $9.99 plus free delivery. I would probably say this little pop is probably around the £7 mark, but you can see the prices that they're charging. There's a bid of £2, $9.99, free postage. I mean, I would probably say this pop is in and around £7. So I'm pretty happy with the value of this little pop. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, this pop is too cute. There is quite a bit of weight to this pop. This is a Pop Movies. It is Trading Places number 677, and it is Santa Louis vinyl figure. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys know the movie Trading Places. I've watched this movie so many times. It is such a great Christmas movie. And I think this is the bit where he has the salmon tied up in his beard and he's trying to eat it, even though it's in his dirty gray Santa beard. Guys, there's a little tiny nick at the bottom here, a little bit of a nick at the corner. But other than that, this little pop is pretty much in mint condition. This pop is a 2018 pop as well. Super cute and adorable, and I just love it. It is so nice. This is probably one of the pops that I will keep just because it is so super cute. So I'm just going to do what I did before and look up on eBay. I really like eBay pricing because it does give you a good price point. 677 pop. Let's have a look. Okay, guys, so they're selling this. Oh my gosh, there are so many of these on eBay. Again, they're selling these for $9.99 or best offer. There are bids of £5. There is one seller selling it for £9.50 and then your £2.90 postage. So I would probably put this price point around £7 as well. So for these two lovely little pops in mint condition, we've got £14 worth of value. That to me is pretty awesome because the box only costs £10 and that is including shipping. So that price point for me is pretty good. I got extra value from my box. So I'm pretty happy with this little box. Okay, let's look at this box. Guys, I won't be upset if this box is the same. I think these little pops are nice, and I mean, I know all of my nephews and nieces love pops, so it won't bother me if I get duplicates because I will give them away. I do hope I don't, though. I mean, I'm hoping more than anything that I won't, but you never know. I mean, the box does clearly state that the different color boxes equal different contents. So you just don't know. Let's look and find out, shall we? So when we open the box, this is what we get. Oh, okay. Not upset at all. We got one different pop. So let's pop out this little one. So yeah, guys, we're back. We do have another Allura. This is is exactly the same as the first one. But again, the box is in the box is in absolute mint condition. I mean, how did they get these delivered to my house without there even being so much as a crease or a nick in the corner? I don't know. But guys, again, this is the same pop. Really cute. And again, price point of £7. So we've almost made our money back on our box, but we did get a different pop. So I am super excited about this one. Let me just pop this together. It makes a great little stand for our pop. Okay. Pop them over here so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm really happy about this one too. This is again a Pop Movies Trading Places number 676. This is Special Agent Orange. This is adorable. And this is the little pop where Special Agent Orange is begging kind of on the street, and it says on his little sign, "A grateful war veteran, thank you, Merry Christmas." That is so cute. Look, and the glasses, like how cool are those glasses? This is so cool. Again, 2018. This is the side view. These are all of the ones that we can collect. So guys, how crazy is that? That I got in this box 2 out of the collection, and there only are 4. Now that I have 2, I'm definitely going to see if I can get the Billy Ray Valentine, which I think is cute, and the Lewis Winthorpe III. Just so I have the whole collection. Now that I have half, why not just collect? There are only 4 in it. It's not going to be too bad. But there's quite a bit of weight to this pop, which is awesome. We'll just take a look at a little tiny nick in the corner, but that's nothing too disastrous. Outside of that, this box again is in mint condition. I am so super stoked. Guys, if you have not watched Trading Places, it is a very old movie, but it is a fun, fantastic, really fun movie. I'm going to go ahead again, just using eBay, and look for this little pop. So it's Special Agent Orange number 676 pop, and we'll see what the price points are on eBay. Okay guys, so on eBay, these little Funko Pops, we have one that has a bid of £1.80. These ones are selling for between $4.99 buy it now and $7.99. So guys, I would probably say this one is lower than the rest, and would probably go for around about £5. Yeah. You can see here that they're selling them for £5.99, £4 as a bid, £4.99, $7.99 or best offer plus your shipping. So I'm going to price point that at around £5. Even with that price point of £5, I've still made £12 I've still made a total of £12. So I've definitely smashed my box price. So I am so super happy with these little items. They are awesome. They're super cute. I definitely won't hold on to the Allura. I will either do something like a giveaway with a pop and some other pop culture items that we've got from mystery boxes, and we'll put that together and maybe do a mystery box giveaway. But I think the Trading Places ones I'm definitely going to keep. They are super cute and adorable. Well guys, what did you think of this video? Did you like it? If you did, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell to be advised of any of my future videos. Guys, I hope you liked my video. I really had so much fun buying these, and I loved opening them up with you guys. Love a mystery. I hope you are all safe. Well, take care, everybody. I will catch you in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.